सत श्री अकाल। राह गुजरी भक्ता की बानी। एक ओंकार। The Lord is one. The Creator is one. The entire universe is made by but one Lord. Satgur, that one Lord, is truth personified. He is the truth. Prasad, Gur Prasad. With His grace, we have got this opportunity to read this Bani of the Guru's Bhagats. And whose Bani are we reading today? Sri Kabir Ji ka Chaupada Kharduja. We're reading Kabir Das Ji's Bani this morning. Char Pao, Dui Singh, Gung Mukh, Tab Kaise Gun Gahiye. When you are so full of yourself and so confident in your abilities and get so caught up in what you have your 4 feet, you have your 2 horns that are a consequence of your pride and arrogance and strength and influence, and your mouth is muted because you are compromising on your ethics and values to be able to gain in power and influence and riches to get on that path. If that is who and what you are on the path, tab kaise gun gahiye? How and when can you even find the time or the sensibility to praise the Lord? Uthat baithat thega pari hai. When the day of judgment arises, whether you are standing or whether you are sitting, the stick shall fall on you. Tab kat mood look ye. At that point, where are you going to hide your face? Where are you going to hide your head? When the day of judgment comes, when it is time for that stick to fall, my friends, it will fall. That is how the Lord, the universe works. And when it is time for it to fall, where will you go? Har bin bail birane huye. Without the Lord, you are like an ox, no doubt, but an ox that is wild, an ox that is stray. And what does a wild and a stray ox do? Run hither and thither, trying to live on the scraps of people, where survival itself becomes the purpose of his life rather than achieving fulfillment and doing anything else. And to survive, what do? Fate nakan, your nose is sometimes torn. Toote kadhan, your shoulders are broken. Kodo ko bas kahiye. And you want to stop, but you are unable to stop this survival, this rat race of survival, because this is what you have got yourself into. Rahao Saro din dolat ban mahiya. Entire day when you are in this mode of survival, the entire day you are running around in the forest, walking and running around, right? Doing what? Trying to find scraps. And when you're trying to find scraps just to fill your tummy, what is going to happen? Ajay na pet aghiye. Your stomach can never get fulfilled, because instead of finding a path of fulfilling yourself, you are just running around here and there in this rat race called life, because you feel that the day you stop running, the day you stop fighting, you will get overtaken. You feel that this race is the one that you are made for, because at the end of the day, you are measured based on how many feet you have, how many horns you have, and the life that you are leading. And that becomes your focus. And when that is your focus, how can the Lord even come into your life? insecurity about your own self, insecurity about your life, insecurity about faith, and someone else becoming better takes over you, and you become wild and stray, just running around and living off scraps, and feeling that the scraps, building on scraps, feeling that the scraps that you have actually are giving you a purposeful life. Ratan Janam Khoya. Doing that, you let go of this incarnation of life that God has given you. This treasure, this jewel, the fact that you are a human right now is in itself a jewel and a gift from Lord. It is your karam that has given you this life. But what are you doing? Letting go of this. Just losing it. Prab Bisriyo. That is not enough. You continue, you walk down that path and forget the Lord. That Lord who has given you this life. Eha Ausar Kat Pahiyo. You let go of this opportunity. You lose this opportunity. And when you lose this opportunity, what is life? Nothing. Is that what you want to do? Letting go and forgetting about how good karma can actually help you get off this rat race, and that God can actually help you become better and fulfill yourself? Is that what you want to do with this life that God has given you? Brahmat Firat, you roam around the entire forest. And the next line, what he says is that just like how a nut or a seed is squeezed real tight to take the oil out, you are roaming around the entire earth, getting squeezed, my friend, just like an oil press. Your life has become like an oil press, and you are allowing and permitting yourself to get squeezed and squeezed and squeezed until there is no more juice left in you. Is that the path do you think God intended? You are getting drained and depleting yourself of all essence. That, do you think, is the life that God intended for you when He gave you this birth? Jyo gat bin rain bhiye. Remember that without the Lord, without His Bani, that this entire life that you're leading is futile. There is nothing that you can do. You are unable to even survive one night or anything without his grace. Kehet Kabir Ram Naam bin Moond Dhun Pachutiye. Says Kabir, without his name, your life, dear friend, is nothing but futile, where you have wasted it, and you will in the end only live a remorseful life and a painful life and a life that you will regret. So this is your chance to fix that, to not be a wild ox anymore, but find the path in which you are able to tame yourself and lead on a path that is right for you. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.